This tutorial reviews the step-by-step process of accepting financial aid through the Penguin portal. To begin, browse to penguinportal.ysu.edu and log in with your YSU portal ID and password. Once logged in, select the Student Dashboard Index card from the homepage and select Accept Aid Offer under the Financial Aid section. While on the Home tab, select the 2025-2026 aid year and click View Questions. Answer the mandatory YSU expected graduation term question. It is okay if this date changes later. You are only asked to select a tentative term. Once you select your graduation term and click Submit, the Accept option on your financial aid offer will enable. The Aid Offer tab is where you can review and accept your offered financial aid. Proceed by reviewing and accepting any grants, scholarships, and loans offered. Grants and scholarships do not have to be repaid, while federal student loans must be repaid upon graduation or when the student's enrollment drops below half-time. Since loans must be repaid, you must accept, decline, or modify to accept a partial amount for each loan offered. Once you made your decision, make sure to click Submit. The loan amount accepted will disperse evenly between the fall and spring semesters. Students are limited to a maximum of 50% of their loan eligibility in a single term. For example, a student offered $5,500 in student loans for the year can only receive the maximum $2,750 a semester. If you are considered a dependent student and offered a Parent Plus loan, it is important to note that the Parent Plus loan cannot be accepted on the Penguin portal and requires a separate application to be submitted by the parent on www.studentaid.gov. Once you accept your financial aid, you will need to read the terms and conditions and view your current loan balance. Then check the box acknowledging the terms and conditions and click Accept Award. A message will then appear in the upper right-hand corner confirming a successful submission. Any messages or additional requirements relevant to your personal aid offer can be found under the Notifications tab. If you are a first-time federal loan borrower, you are required to complete entrance loan counseling and sign a master promissory note. These requirements can be completed online by logging into www.studentaid.gov. Please feel free to contact the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships for any further questions and assistance. Thank you for watching.